The journey of making a birdhouse. In a quiet village where trees surround small houses, there lived a beginner carpenter named Ali. Ali loved nature and enjoyed watching birds fly in the sky. One day, he decided to make a birdhouse to hang in his garden, providing a shelter for small birds. Ali began to gather the necessary tools and materials. He knew the birdhouse had to be sturdy and precise, so he chose good quality wood. He decided to use spruce because it's lightweight and easy to cut, and its color harmonizes with nature. Ali started with a simple design for the birdhouse. He decided the size would be suitable for accommodating 2 or 3 birds, with a small entrance and exit. He knew that birds need enough space to fly inside the box, so he designed it with an appropriate height. Ali began cutting the wood into small pieces using an electric saw. He understood that precision in cutting was key to success, so he carefully cut each piece with great care. After cutting, he used a handsaw to shape the entrance and exit, ensuring they were straight and precise. Next, Ali started to cut wood to make the sides, bottom, and top of the birdhouse. He knew that small details make a big difference, so he made sure each piece was accurately placed in its correct position, and all details were consistent and precise. After cutting and detailing, Ali began assembling the birdhouse. He used glue and nails to fix all parts together, ensuring a sturdy structure. Then, he applied a coat of varnish to protect the wood from wear and damage. Finally, Ali hung the birdhouse on a tree in his garden. He watched as birds flew in and out, enjoying their new home. Ali felt very proud, as he had not only